Multiply 10,000 by 365 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 0 is 0. The next 3 digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 5 times 1 is 5. The first partial product is 50,000. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 0 is 0. The next 3 digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 6 times 1 is 6. The second partial product is 600,000. Now use the hundreds digit, 3. Start 2 places to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. The next 3 digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 3 times 1 is 3. The third partial product is 3 million. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the 10 negative thousands column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the 100 negative thousands column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the millions column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 3,650,000. So 10,000 times 365 is 3,650,000.